might get there. Georgia's taking so many photos. You can see the ripples maybe on the water. Just over there. Wow. Check that out. I'm going to hang out here for a second or two. Excuse the noise. Nah, don't stop here. Blast it. Let's see if I can get a view of that. Not bad, eh? Frank, what do you reckon? It'll be better than
they won't know where that means.
Gamaraka. Check this out. Having a bit of lunch, or evening meal. A sheep with and a couple of goats here, ripping everything to pieces. Look at them all. But good. Look at this one here. It's up the tree. He's going 13 to the dozen, this guy. Or this lady. It's a female.
Look at the beard it's got. It's tagged too.
You can smell them a mile away. Wow, look at them all. They're all down there too. They're everywhere, they're everywhere.
Guarda questo qua sull'albero.
Che cazzo basta qua?
Meh. Meh. Speak the lingo. Oh, he's going up the rock. Jesus. I don't know, there's the cathedral or God knows what, but it's the evening sun, the setting sun on the formations. We're about 8 k's from Cortina. We might get there for breakfast by the time he stops taking photos. Sun. And that's Cortina down there. I wonder if you can see it. Try and lift it up, get a better view. Magnificent view. Cortina d'Ampezzo. Some expensive looking hotels down there. Like that one over there in the distance. Wow. We're gradually getting into Boyd, gradually into Cortina. Wow, nice.